back to my channel. So today I am doing another Zodiac tutorial, and it is for Cancer because it is Cancer season. I guess it just started, but today I am working with my new lighting system, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you see something that you think I should change, comment down below, like if there's a weird shadow or something. Let me know and I'll try and adjust accordingly. But I also want to say a massive thank you for everybody who has subscribed to me, because today I reached 150, and that's incredible. I never thought I would get that high, and there is a giveaway coming soon since we've reached that milestone. So make sure you guys stay subscribed, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that button down below and the little bell next to it so you know when I post about the giveaway. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with my NYX Base in White. So when I was thinking about doing this look, I didn't even realize that I would be filming it during like the appropriate time, which is cool because last time I did the Libra look and it was nowhere near Libra season. I guess it's not that far away. September, October-ish. I think Libras start on September 23rd and then go to like October in the middle, somewhere like the 15th maybe. I could be totally wrong. I have no idea when the cutoff is for everything, but I know that Cancer season just started like a couple days ago. And I think Gemini was before that. So I will probably do a Gemini look next time. So now I'm going in with Glucose from the Blood Sugar palette. I'm just gonna cut right underneath my eyebrow, since they are pretty like intense brows today. I'm just gonna clean the edges up with Glucose and also set my base with it. So as part of my tutorial today, I'm going to be using two new palettes I got. They are both from Luminous Cosmetics. They're kind of like busting out powder here, but I know nothing's broken. And I actually won these in a giveaway, and I will put all the information from the person I won them from down below. But these are two of their tarot card palettes, and I think I'm gonna use, I'm gonna go into the one called the Moon. And I'm going to use this color here, which is called Illuminate. And I'm just going to put this on top of Glucose with a fluffy brush. Just on the lid so that it's not so stark white underneath. And I'm just putting this all over the lid. It's a really pretty color. It's just like a creamy vanilla type color. And they're really, really blendable. Alright, and as you can see, the palette just opens like this. So using another color from this palette, I'm going to go into Empower, which is right here. And I'm going to take a little tiny brush and just pick up a little bit of it, put it right in the crease. Not the whole way across though. Just here, and then we'll blend it over. I actually, like, in the last, I don't know, like, week or so, have been getting back into watching Wayne Goss's videos. And he is, first of all, an incredible makeup artist. But second of all, very informative with his videos. So he just gave, like, a quick little tip for blending, and I was like, that actually makes total sense. And I'm just blending this out with a Delium Tools 776 brush. Just about like blending and how you shouldn't blend with the same brush, which I always did just because I was like lazy and I want to get like less lazy with things. But he also said like drawing a straight line across your crease and then blending it out, you're not really going to get the blend you want, because you're putting too much product on, and whenever you blend something, it spreads. So you want to only put a little bit on and then blend inwards. So now I'm going to go into the one called Strength, and they all come with a little brush. But I'm going to put on my lid color, which is going to be Energy, which is right here, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and this is a matte red. And we're just going to pack this on here. I love matte reds as just like the main base color for your lid. So I'm just using a Real Techniques. This is the domed shadow brush to pack this on. I believe these are cruelty free. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if they're vegan, but I will let you know in the review. Alright, so now I have this color on. I'm going to take my Morphe blending brush here. This is an M429. And we're just going to diffuse the edges out. This is a little dual fiber brush. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use Ambition, which is this nice kind of gold color on a MAC 242. And just kind of press it in there, because I think it makes the inner corner look really nice when you have like a fiery inside corner, as well as like a really bright lid. So now I think I'm going to go into the blood sugar palette with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Fresh Meat. No, that might be too purple. Yeah, I'm going to take Fresh Meat, because I think Extraction is going to be too much. And it's just a little bit of a deeper red. We're going to buff this into the outer corner. Just a bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a winged eyeliner with this NYX matte liquid liner. And it's just got one of these thin little brushes. I'm going to use a new mascara. This is from Marcel, and maybe it's Marcelli, I don't know. It's the Ultimate Volume Nano. So it's a teeny tiny little brush. On the bottom lash line, I'm going to put a little bit of O Positive, which is this kind of like almost lilac color. I'm just going to put it on the outer portion. Really thankful for everybody who has subscribed to me and has been watching my videos and has been supportive. I feel like I've been doing YouTube for 3 years, but I feel like this is the only year that I've really committed to it and been making it somewhat of a priority on my to-do list. And I'm working really hard on some other projects for Halloween time for you guys, and every time someone subscribes, I just get this rush of like creativity, because I know it's one more person who is expecting me to put up content, so I want to make it. So yeah, so thanks for watching me. So to highlight, I'm going to use the Girl Meets Pearl from Benefit. And I'm just going to tap this on my cheeks. Kind of bring it up around the eye socket. So I'm kind of in between like a deep red and like a orange. So I'm either thinking like these two colors or this one. I think I'm going to stick with the red theme. So this is Copenhagen lip pencil from NYX. And I'm also using Copenhagen in the soft matte lip cream. Alright you guys, so this is the end of the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it turned out really pretty. I really love the reds and the like bright inner corner. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.